In today's world of marketing, local business has a huge advantage over nearly anybody else, and that is a marketing tool called video. Now, also, in today's world of marketing, the most overlooked tool for small business, local business, and consultants, contractors is also video. A lot of people are a little bit stuck because it feels a little bit intimidating, but it's not. Video for marketing is pretty simple. It's just a three-part harmony, right? You want a headline to get people's attention, let them know, hey, I'm talking about something that matters to you. Then you want to tell a little story, right? The copy, the script. You want to tell a little story that's relevant to them, that illuminates a problem they may have, and that illustrates the solution you offer. And then you want to give a call to action, a close. Tell them what to do next. It doesn't have to be buy, but it should be something. Here's how to learn more. Here's how to get in touch. Here's how to work with us. Here's how to come into our shop, right? Headline, good story, and then a call to action. Now, there's a bunch of different ways you can get videos done, right? Get videos made. You can get a selfie stick with your smartphone. You can have your spouse or employee or partner point the phone at you and do a video that way. That's fine. You can hire somebody, but if you're going to do that, make sure you're not hiring a wedding photographer filling a Tuesday. Or you can get real professional help, because for a small business owner, for a local business owner, getting the basics of video down is important. It's not that complicated. Once you get the basics down, you become a little more comfortable, a little more fluent. And in the beginning, a lot of professionals want a little confidence, a little polish, a little support to make sure that they look good, that they sound good, that they're making the right points, that they're giving the right offer, that they're making the right story, connecting with the right kind of people. It's important to never forget that the outcome, eventually, of a marketing video is to create sales. So you want to keep your focus on telling a story that will attract prospects, turn them into customers, reach customers to get them to buy some more, make them better customers, and then give everybody something to share with their friends. A little video about you so they can share it on their Facebook page, on Instagram, on YouTube, whatever they want to do. This becomes a referral and it becomes organic marketing. And in order to make that happen, you have to look good, feel good. You need to be a little bit into it. So that's where we come in. That's what sets us apart from everybody else. My first career was in sales. Made my first sale in 4th grade, went kind of semi-pro at 14. And by the time I was 40 years old, I worked with hundreds of small business owners in the radio business, telling 60-second stories about why to buy their stuff. And that allows me to have the skills and experience to help people craft the story that they're telling in a compelling way that gets attention, to develop a headline that really grabs people when they're online. Scroll, boom, I want to see that. And then, most importantly, to make sure that we're giving an offer, that we're telling folks why they should get this thing we have, how their lives will be better once they have this thing that we sell, and then, where to get it. So call, book an appointment, come on in and see me, come by the store. All of these things come together in a video where you're looking good and sounding good and making the right moves. And in the beginning, a lot of people want a little support. Not everybody's comfortable in front of a video camera. In fact, I can tell you, nobody is comfortable in front of a video camera when you first get started. I sure wasn't. Some days I'm still not. And that's where a coach comes in. You get somebody to take you through the process, to make sure everything's fine in front of the camera, and then to make sure that your performance gets a little polish, the script gets a little tweak, the offer is solid. Because the basics mean that you know how to share with some level of excitement and interest what you do with people who want to do it. So I believe that that's what makes a marketing video profitable. And that's what we do. We make marketing videos that sell. Because at the end of the day, nothing happens until somebody sells something. So if you'd like a little support, we do coaching online by Zoom. We do coaching in person on location here in our studio. And we do video production throughout the Bay Area, but primarily in Marin County, California. I'm Mike Wolpert. As the video coach and producer at Social Jumpstart, my focus is always on you, the client, making sure you look good, sound good, feel good, and make the sales.